I'm so excited today to be celebrating the birthday of a legend. I am honored and I am privileged to be saying happy birthday to Mom Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa. Mom, my teacher, my mentor, my philanthropist, you've taught me a lot of things. You've taught me to pray. You've taught me to believe in the word. You've taught me to be faithful. You've taught me to be orderly. And I thank God for you every single day. And I celebrate your life today. Your birthday defined my life. Your birthday brings the woman I am today. And as I take this opportunity to say happy birthday to you, I just want you to know that I love you so much and I appreciate God for you. Happy birthday, Mom.